I am at LAX and we are at $57 and 3 passengers. It's 11 o'clock. The queue is moving. I just got here and I missed a $36 ride like this. I clicked on it in 1 second, right? I barely missed it. But whenever it starts showing you stuff that's out of the queue, that means it's a hot spot. And I think when I got here, UberX was showing over 110 people, and just by me coming here and parking, it's already dropped. So right now I'm gonna take my notes and write down exactly what the time is, what Uber is showing, and see how fast it's moving. There you go. Look, right when I'm talking to you, it's moving. So this is a hot zone right now. So we're gonna write down the time. We're gonna say 11 o'clock. I'm gonna put the date down. What's the date right now? It is the 30th, 12/30/2023. And we're gonna say UberX. When I got here, right now it's showing 86. And then we're gonna say Comfort is showing 51. And we're gonna say XL is showing 36, okay? And this is just for me to keep track of what's going on with the time and how many times I've said yes or no. But I think while I'm recording this video or I'm editing in the background, I'll probably get my turn. And this is Saturday, it's 11 o'clock, it's empty. I don't know why, but you know what? We're going to take it. So what is this video going to be about? This video is literally going to be me taking a look at some of the comments that are in the background that I was trying to talk about, and responding to some more comments, and honestly just saying thank you to my followers. And this video is dedicated to you, your comments while I'm waiting for Uber. And then maybe if it runs around 10-12 minutes long and I haven't started editing, on the next video I'll start editing, because I want to take a break a little bit. So let's see if we got any fresh comments. Oh yeah, this is the guy I was talking to you about in the last video. Okay, so this dude, Shoot SKS, is saying, how much is Uber paying you to shell for them, right? I don't like trolls, right? So basically what I said, ask your mom, I told her last night, but don't tell your dad, right? I'm trying to be funny over here. Then he says, LMAO, how old are you, right? My response was, I am old enough to be your dad. Then I told him, and if you really want to know my age, watch my videos, because I tell people in the videos, and that will help my YouTube channel. I was supposed to say grow, it says girl, and keep commenting. I love trolls. I know this is a troll or this is artificial intelligence, because a normal human being doesn't do this kind of stuff, right? So let's say about an hour ago what his response was. You think I'm a troll because I asked how much Uber is paying you, question mark. Any experienced driver knows that the values you are claiming to make are not doable in long term. So either you are ignorant or you are being paid by Uber. Which is it? Now you guys are gonna see my response. I'm definitely not ignorant, because you're on my YouTube channel and helping me grow. I think that's a sign of intelligence. You are definitely a troll because you don't have the common sense to follow the 100 videos that I've posted on my playlist. There's also 177 YouTube shorts showing me and showing other people live what I'm doing. $19 to Beverly Hills. No, guys, we're not going to take this, because, look, I'm going to put an X next to UberX just so I know that I said no to one ride. But I think we can get something a little bit better, right? But we're going to keep responding to the troll. So we're going to say no to that. Oh, look at that. Okay, look. Since I've been making this video, it has jumped down to, oh, there you go. Two options. No. Guys, right now it's prime time. You're going to wait for something bigger and better. There's no reason to take that. So I'm going to update my notes. It's going to say 41 for Comfort. It's going to say 61 for UberX. And it's going to say 31 for XL. So right now, we definitely want a Comfort ride. We don't want any UberX rides, okay? And we want XL ideally, because that's going to pay us the most. Now, if something small pops up for 20-30 bucks and I can come back to the airport and take something else, I'll take it. All right, let's go back and respond to this troll. showing my style of driving and real-time content creation updates. And right now you're making one of my longer video edits, so you're on my highlight reel. So if you're not a troll, you're probably artificial intelligence. And if you're not, then I'm gonna pray for you, because you need a lot of help. Because I like helping Uber drivers, I will help you out, and I will link both of my playlists for you so they're easy for you to find. Watch all my content and then let me know if I'm working for Uber. And remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share my video with other trolls. Guys, I love having fun, all right? And you gotta have fun with trolls. All right, so let's make sure my English is good, because, you know, I'm making a live video. I'm definitely not ignorant because you're on my YouTube channel and helping me grow. I think that's a sign of intelligence. You are definitely a troll because you don't have any common sense to follow the 100 videos that I've posted on my playlist. There's also 177 YouTube shorts showing my style of driving and real-time content creation updates. And right now, you're making one of my longer video edits. So if you're not a troll, you're probably artificial intelligence. Okay, that comment looks pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and finish this off. We're gonna send it. Oh, I gotta add my link, right? I can't be lying to him. So we're gonna go here and we're gonna grab these links that I'm gonna tell him what to watch. Now this troll is gonna go watch more of my stuff. Once you've watched my playlist and my shorts, come back and comment and have fun with me. And remember, I love trolls and I love helping Uber drivers. So look at that. 8-minute video and just responding to one comment. I think I'm just gonna post this right now. Okay, oh, got another one. Thank you. Okay, who's this? And you know, I don't like responding to everybody, but like when it's a thank you, I just give them a prayer blessing. Okay, that's done. That's done. Anything with new responses? Oh, there you go. 7 days ago. Oh, Joe's awesome, man. Joe's a classic. Let's see what Joe has to say. We're talking about God and the Creator over here. I only believe in reality, what I see and what I know. I have never seen Creator create anything, and I know one thing for sure: humans are the biggest liars on earth. He's very negative, by the way. He's been negative like this for a long time. But I can't help Joe. I tried to text him, and I've tried to encourage and motivate him, but I just have understood some people are just negative and they're in a downward spiral. No matter how much you try to help them, there's not much you can do. And unfortunately, Joe's making my highlight reel today too. And you'll probably watch this video because I think he has a lot of time. So Joe, God bless you. I hope you have a beautiful day. Okay, where are we at on the numbers? Comfort is at 36. It went down a little bit. Uber X is at 46. It went down a little bit. And Uber XL is the same. Okay, good. And look, this is literally what I'm doing, guys. I sit here and I write notes. Oh, there you go. $31 to Hollywood. It's Uber X for 40 minutes, and maybe I can pick up somebody. Yeah, I'll do that because I want to end this video. Oh my God, did I get a better one? $18, no. But this is how you know LAX is hot right now, right? It is hot. So for me to take someone that's a 497 and pick them up and drop them in Hollywood for 40 minutes, it's good because from Hollywood I can pick up somebody else. Now this video is gonna go up raw right now, right? And I also want you to realize that not only am I responding to comments, but also what it looks like when LAX is hot and when LAX is working, okay? So let's go pick up Mike. Let me upload this video. God bless you. Have a beautiful day. And I hope you like me responding to some trolls. And Joe, I'm going to respond to you pretty soon. Hang in there, buddy.